What's going on, everybody? Captain Granite back here again with a new motovlog. So today I want to talk about riding gear. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's talk about some riding gear. So I was asked not too long ago why I don't wear full riding gear. Well, the answer is pretty simple. My choice. I've just never seen the appeal of wearing full leather armor, Kevlar pants, the riding boots with, that go halfway up your ankle, and I've never felt the need to go out and buy it and use it. It's my decision. I could buy it, I could use it, I could go get leather chaps. I could do a lot of shit. But it's just something that I'm comfortable in riding like this. I take all the responsibility in the world when I get on this bike. And if something happens to me, then you know what? So be it. 99% of the time I wear a helmet. 1% of the time I ride without a helmet. It's the law of the state. I don't have to wear a helmet. I'm not legally bound to wear a helmet on this motorcycle. I legally have to wear eye protection, but I wear glasses, so I'm covered. Look at me right now. You can only see a little bit of me, but I have my Voss helmet on. My head is covered. My eyes are covered. That's the most important part of my body right there. Anything happens to my head, might as well get the bag out. My chest, I got my riding vest on. That's gonna protect me. My arms, yeah, I'm wearing a sweatshirt. That'll disintegrate quickly on this pavement. My hands, fucked if I ever go down. I don't have my gloves on. My gloves are in my saddlebag right now. A lot of good that does me right now, right? But that's the decision and choice I made for this ride. My jeans, not the best jeans. They're my holy jeans. They're my Sunday jeans. And then I got Morel, I think they're Morel, hiking boots on. I wear those over my normal riding boots because I have better grip on the pavement with these shoes. And I have come across one other motovlogger, or I don't even know if he does motovlogs anymore, content creator, that's what you can call him. And don't get me wrong, he has every single right to his own opinion on it, but he said something, it was like a year and a half ago on one of his videos, and I've never watched another video after that because I was just like, nah, I'm done with you. But he said, if you do not wear full riding gear every time you go out riding, you are not a biker or motorcyclist. Your opinion. It's a shitty freaking opinion, but your opinion. I consider myself a biker, motorcyclist, whatever you want to call it. I'm not wearing full gear. You're not going to make me wear full gear. I'm 32 years old. I'm not going to be told what to do. But you have to think, what risks you do take every time you get on the motorcycle. You gotta think, the weather conditions. Today, it's, partly cloudy out. There's some clouds up there, some darker clouds. 0% chance of rain. I checked that before I left. It is a bit breezy out, and I've already felt the bike get pushed a couple times. So, should I have had my gloves on? Mayhaps. On the way home, am I going to put my gloves on after we stop? More than likely. Is it enough for me right now to pull over and be like, oh, you know what, I seriously need my gloves on right now? No. Not even close. So I propose the question to you guys. Do you all wear full gear when you go out riding? Or is it a matter of you know what, it depends on the weather, road conditions, what actual route you're taking. I know people out in like California when it's 98 degrees outside, or down Florida with all the humidity, they're not wearing full gear. That's the question I propose. And do you believe that by not wearing full gear every single time makes you not a motorcyclist or a biker? Because I don't think it does. I think if I'm going to go out and ride, I'm going to do whatever the hell I want, ride whatever I want, and wear whatever I want. I'm going to abide by the law. I mean, my wife right now is more prepared than I am. I mean, she's got a full leather jacket on, she's got her helmet on. I believe she has gloves on. And she has her riding boots on, and I mean, she does have jeans on. But I mean, I can have her say hi. You all seem to like it when she says hi. Say hi. She didn't say anything, just so you know. I heard absolutely zero come out of her mouth. But she waved, and that's what matters. So yeah, it was just one of those things where I was just kind of curious, because it was floating up in the noggin. And it just, what that guy said, I'm not going to call him out by name or anything like that. It's just something that I was like, man, I know that's your opinion and all, but it's a stupid opinion, because you're throwing a lot of people under this bus that if they don't abide by wearing full gear, it makes them less or not a motorcyclist or biker. I just find it weird. Not my cup of tea. Or beer. Not my cup of beer. Oh man, I could go for a nice sour beer right now. I think I'm gonna go home and get some sour beer. So I hope you really got blah blah blah. Can't even talk. So I hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button if you'd like to, and thank you as always for just being here to the channel. And it's been an amazing year so far, and I can't thank you all enough. So until the next one, it's Captain Granite. Later.